All right. For this tutorial, we'll be talking about scanners. First, you have to import a scanner. Use import java.util and then a capital S scanner. So that way, this class can then use a scanner. Now we have to name it. So I'm naming mine SCNR. You can name it whatever you want. You have to use the new and then scanner system.in. So that way it is now usable. Okay, now let's use it. So we're going to prompt the user for an input using system.out.print. We'll ask for a name. Now, we're going to use the scanner. So since your name is a string of characters, we have to use string. We'll name it name equals scanner.nextLine. And so that means it is going to scan the input of whatever is put in. That means it's going to scan the input of whatever is put into name. Then we will output the scanner, which is now string name. So now in the terminal, we ask the user for a name, Ethan, and it outputs Ethan. Perfect. Now we'll do it with an integer. So we'll prompt the user for another question, like how old are you? Perfect. Now, since age is an integer, we have to use integer. We'll name it age. We'll do scanner.next. Pause for a second. And we're going to come back to that next line. I want to point that out. So we got an error function. Because line only works with strings, we have to do next int for integers. And run without debugging. Now we'll combine them. Hi, and then outside of the quotations, you gotta add a plus sign, plus our name string, which has been scanned. And then that would output, hi, Ethan, you are 20 years old.